Welcome back, office executives. In this particular video I'll be showing or guiding a new way of autofill. So autofill is based on a pattern in a cell or a range of cell. Excel fills up the rest of the cells with the pattern which is being selected in a cell or a group of cells. So if we write down 1 and we want to just generate the serial number, we can move the cursor to the lower right corner, and while pressing down control key, if we drag all the way across to the down, we'll be having something like the serial number. Also we can write 1, and then you can use the fill handler like dragging all the way across to the down, and then using this particular fill series option. So let me show you another way. We'll be writing 1, and then we'll be writing equal to 1 plus, and the row above it, that is the value containing the 1. Press enter. Now if we drag all the way across to the down, we will be having 2 3 4, that's the serial number generation. So this portion of autofill is achieved using a function. Also we can just click on 1, and after selecting on 1, if we go to the home section, and from there, from the series fill option, if we just click on the series, and vertically means column, and if we give the stop value, so if we give a stop value of maybe 50 and hit enter, control shift down arrow, so we are having 50 numbers. So in this particular Excel video I have already demonstrated the autofill feature in MS Excel in some other videos, but in this particular feature in Excel video I have shown you that how you can do autofill using a function. That's all for this short video tutorial. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.